baseless, terms yesterday's attack as unfortunate. Additional DGP Intelligence P. Dongel to incident to submit report in 7 days. Gaikangam says the centre must not remain silent when NSA and IM has broken the ground rule. Governor launches national campaign on medicinal plants and opens one-day state-level buyers-sellers meet in Imphal. And Adya Prasad Pandey of Banaras Hindu University appointed Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. Chief Minister Ukhrul Ibobi refuted the charges of Tangkhul Naga Long that the Chief Minister visited Ukhrul to inaugurate an incomplete building as baseless. Speaking to media persons at Chief Minister's Secretariat, Ukhrul Ibobi said the construction of 100-bedded hospital is yet to complete, but the government took the decision to inaugurate a 50-bedded hospital and a power substation to help the people living in far-flung areas of the district. He termed the attack as unfortunate and said the security forces were withdrawn without retaliation in view of the safety of the civilians. He said an inquiry will be commissioned within 7 days and 5 sub-inspectors of Manipur Police will be suspended. A slideshow of the development works taken in the hills was screened to highlight how the government is focusing more on the hills than valley on development. Impact News will bring a report of the press meet with the Chief Minister today and the development works taken up in the hills in these 15 years right after the primetime news.
Tangkhul Long President Loidaba incomplete project inauguration tawala lakpasi laibak thibani adon loishandana adum thamamgadra haibagi adugumba atay khra haibaduda akhoi Sumi incomplete project haibatare 100-bedded hospital si khoina aroiba saruk 50-bedded tuni 100-bedded si masi loiba ngairaga di matamju khara kuin sangani aroiba 50-bedded si masi hana inauguration tawthoga function tawba hana holaga awat pasisu adum loishanba yanana ba haina disturbance later the work educating agencies within 3 months the ma loibangam gani hayaba.
Additional Director General of Police Intelligence P. Dongel will probe the Ukhrul incident and submit a report within 7 days. An inquiry team headed by Additional DGP Intelligence P. Dongel will hold an inquiry into the attack on the Chief Minister's entourage in Ukhrul yesterday. An order issued by DGP LM Kaute said P. Dongel is appointed as the inquiry officer to inquire into the circumstances leading to the incidents of violence. The order also said he will look into the lapses in security arrangements, if any, and fix responsibility and submit its report with recommendations to prevent recurrence of such incidents in future within 7 days. Manipur Governor Dr. Najma Heptulla today condemned the attack on Chief Minister Ukhrul Ibobi Singh's entourage in Ukhrul yesterday morning, terming the incident sad as well as bad. Governor Heptulla appealed to the youths to join hands with the government for development of the state. It may be recalled that several rounds of gunshots were fired towards the helipad as soon as the helicopter carrying Chief Minister was about to take off. During the visit, Chief Minister was accompanied by Deputy Speaker Presho Simre, Home Minister Gaikangam, Health Minister D. Korungthang and Commerce and Industries Minister K. Govindas.
It's very sad and very bad, and I spoke to him. Violence doesn't bring anything. It is peace which brings development, and Manipur needs more development than violence. And I appeal to all those young people that they should join hands in creating peaceful atmosphere in Manipur so that we can work together for their future, for their jobs, for their education, and a better future and a better Manipur.
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikangam has categorically stated that the centre must not remain silent when NSC and IM has broken the ceasefire ground rule by ambushing Chief Minister in Ukhrul yesterday. Speaking as chief guest at the Golden Jubilee celebration of Samoro Kaithel today, Gaikangam said till now no definite response has come from the central government. He, however, expressed confidence that the centre will take necessary action against the outfit. The Deputy Chief Minister pointed the finger of suspicion at Tangkhul Nagalong for the incident as they have called for boycott of the Chief Minister's visit. He said it would be better for those responsible to apologize to the public instead of making fabricated statement on the incident. Refuting the allegations of TNL, he said the government will never ask to fire at the police personnel and there is no lethal bomb in the police arsenal. He also said the government does not take the incident lightly and will take necessary action. It may be recalled that NSC and IM has denied involvement in the ambush, while UNC has accused the state government of stage managing the incident.
Naked lies. Ko nungtin pabokta saun tawbugumnaba. Min tazaro de pot namaneba ko. It is makoy kangbu si de ko hin kangana. Habitual liars ko. Asim se oy de pat mga khutna ma sinna ma taw sim makoy hona bini de ko. Adu ko pon kange madu makoy de singdo aga madu parjana thajagada banate adu sorpudi akoy de tawjabani akoy lanjare haiduna responsibility on to bana lemjagani.
Governor Dr. Nazma Heptullah today launched the national campaign on medicinal plants at the Whole of Indian Medical Association, Lamphel. The campaign was organized by Manipur State Medicinal Plants Board, Directorate of Ayush under the sponsorship of Ministry of Ayush, National Plants Board and MPB. The governor also inaugurated one-day state-level buyer-sellers meet on medical plants. In her inaugural address, Dr. Nazma Heptullah said medicinal plants have been identified and used throughout human history. She maintained that medicinal plants sector has got immense potential along with sustainable agriculture, which can provide alternative sources of income to farmers. The governor also appealed to all not to use artificial flowers in decoration. She said cultivation and use of natural flowers and plants should be encouraged to boost plant sector.
I do not like plastic or silk artificial flowers anywhere. Please in future, whoever invites me, do not give me artificial flowers. I was very happy to have a tulsi because I ate it. When you gave me, I plucked a leaf and I ate it because these are natural things. Why should we promote some other countries' import to our country? Why should we not have our own plants? There's so much of biodiversity in Manipur that we can grow beautiful flowers and plants and leaves you can give me. I would request you and advise you, never ever use artificial flowers. They are not only useless but ugly.
Congress workers today took out a protest march against yesterday's attack on Chief Minister in Ukhrul. A large number of Congress workers carried effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Nagaland Chief Minister Tia Jiliang and NSC and IM Secretary Singaleng Muiva from Congress Bhavan at BT Road. Shouting slogans, the Congress workers burned the effigies at Syed Minar. Speaking to media persons, Manipur Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee President Loitongbam Tilotama condemned the attack on Chief Minister and the bomb blast at the newly constructed district hospital in Hundong. She demanded action against the group responsible for yesterday's attack.
Kulai acho sizinadana protest tawbagi thabak changsinakpa sidi yamna heinous oiba crime ni aduna masigi crime chatharibagi marumda leiriba political group ase asibu ngasi khudakta huji akoina concerned union minister dai koina demand tawri makhoibu athuba matamda yamna phatraba terrorist oiraba political group amani ena lauthokpiu honorable chief minister gi mathaga tawraibe attitude ase apha nungai ani chumsan naraga tanasi ching tamama toina hingminasi sakwa thaurang changsen minase ena chaliba mioi amada life attempt torok pai base Congress karmi ekoina Manipur ki praja puna mana yaningde aduna masigi marumda leiriba political group ado Manipur ki laimai da vote kahal oidobani hai base ekoi ngasi kholao mo na piri.
National People's Party (NPP) has demanded institution of an inquiry committee to probe the Ukhrul incident to punish the guilty instead of politicizing it. NPP National General Secretary Vivek Raj Wankham today told the media at the party's office at Sanaipur that all political parties should condemn the attack on Chief Minister Ukhrul Ibobi cutting across party lines. He said NPP National President Conrad Sangma has stated that he will apprise the centre of the matter. President of Women Front NPP Manipur Unit G. Satyabati said the centre must clarify whether the ceasefire agreement between the central government and NSCN-IM has been extended to Manipur. He also appealed for state government's help to the injured security personnel.
Elected leader of Manipur, Mahakumbha leader amada attack toropase akoi Manipur gi society da akoi Manipur gi people khudimak da attack toropane na akoi logjabata abni party khudimak na sigumba incident se condemn to wai se akoi gi side gi su akoi gi center da kai gi akoi na move to ya ba akoi gi honorable national president na pressure to ya ba akoi adum to hanjagani
sok liba miyoi sing amadi haujik sok tuna leiriba employee sing pumnamak adubu akoi na state government na khudakta mating piduna Makoibu amuk hanna aphagalakna bagidamagta hotna haningi peace talk ti akoi sathaba pami peace talk lepadi pamde adubu akoi gi territorial integrity amadi emotional integrity di sokpiyaroi.
Manipur People's Party (MPP) has condemned the attack on the Chief Minister entourage in Ukhrul yesterday. In a press release, the party said the government declared former convener of JCLPS Khomdram Ratan wanted based on a photo, but it did not declare Tangkhul Naga Long TNL as an unlawful organization which is waging war against the state. The party demanded that the government must declare ban the TNL and wipe out NSCN-IM from Manipur. Manipur Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee also strongly condemned the attack on the Chief Minister's entourage in Ukhrul yesterday. Addressing media persons at Congress Bhavan, President of Manipur Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee Loitongbam Tilotoma said the Chief Minister went to Ukhrul to hand over the completed projects to the people. She termed the attack on Chief Minister as unfortunate. Tilotoma said the committee shares the anguish of the families of the injured security personnel.
Honorable Chief Minister na chatpiri badu ekhoi leibak ki chakho thorang da chinga tamga si amatani haibagi interest da mi amaga nusi chanana lainana na ba leibak ki step by step changchalakpa progressive work sing si da makhala moina changchan bani yamna vested interested oiba kangu kharana defamation pina nabagi da magda admain tawdana organized gang group ki type da lumdana lairaga naron dagi Honorable Chief Minister de attack tawre gain hariba wahi simakse yamna moong tadaba leibak ki shu phajadaba wahi ni Ashigumlaba organized gangsters singa se kariguma political group amana support tawraga tawramba thoklabadi madugi political group to akoina kanano haina phajana detect tokthokpa darkar lai maramdi adugumba political group tuna hayeng mikhal gi mirep oina laklaga mikhal khalakpa taragadi akhoi gi Manipur da achouba amangba mo oigani.
Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of Higher Education has appointed a new Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University. The ministry appointed Professor Adya Prasad Pandey, Professor and Head Department of Economics, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi as the Vice-Chancellor as per Statute 2 of the Manipur University Act 2005 for a term of 5 years. HM President N. Rajendra has sought the attention of the state government to find out ways and means to resolve the issue of reservation in Manipur University. Speaking to media at HM office today, Rajendra appealed to the MU authorities to implement the 2012 Amendment Act in admission to the university. Expressing unhappiness at the silence maintained by the government even though classes were not held for the last 2 months over the reservation row, he appealed to all concerned to settle the problem at the earliest. General Secretary of ICHM, Ngachonmi Ramsang said ICHM has sought the attention of Education Minister, Commissioner, Higher Education and other concerned authorities over the agitation launched by the tribal students. He also warned of supporting the agitation of Mutsu if the authorities concerned fail to pay attention to the issue.
Ngasi thani mahita ma phangaktraba ngarang mak satra mari manga suena akoi hopsalai soba adu police na miyo khara phaba taw habsi koi yamna chauna nungai tabag loina na isam na condemn tawi magi UGC na pir niyom se sini sibau taw si haiba mado atu matam da famina rer kanda mahiroi sing se makoi gi mahita ma phangan biu ha na isam na fil taw
Manipur University Authority na ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎ ꯃꯨꯁꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯗꯦꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯇꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎ ꯌꯥꯍꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ 2012 MMM ꯗ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯠꯅꯗꯕꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯛꯄ ꯂꯩ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤ education minister aduga higher education commissioner chief minister mokhoi representative oina leibanina asi mien change hairaga athubada decision lobidaba tarabadi okoi su musu gi agitation tawfamduda changaga koi khut samnaraga thabak tora.
Today also, scheduled tribe students protested the decision of Manipur University to follow the decision of the Academic Council in students' admission. They staged a sit-in near the gate of the university. The protest was held under the aegis of several tribal students' organizations. They demonstrated at the traffic island near the gate and chanted slogans against the decision of the MU authority. However, students who are seeking admission in the university collected admission forms.
Hojik hojik lay riba law of land chathandri pau khoi any tribal student khoi changbe yaroi. Why? Because I am the university have a sigi port sida. How come rule of law is denied? To make a saigi hojik session saying it is almost zero session chakadore, but not at the expense of tribal rights. Tribal rights ke expense the universities the Chatharani have this we cannot accept at some.
Police today conducted search operation in Khwaramband Bazaar ahead of the Ngol Chakawa festival. The search operation was led by OC in charge Commando Bazaar Unit Inspector Anil Chandra Mutum and carried out in Imakethel number 1. Men and women police personnel verified the people at the market. 5 persons without proper documents were taken to city police for further verification. Development organization Andhro Kendra refuted allegation that Andhro MLA T. Shyam Kumar fired at the house of Kaisam Ningthemjao of Yaripok Top Chingtha. They appealed to the authorities concerned to take action against Kaisam Ningthemjao for destroying Rambam Lairak Gulmohar Bakhong Maira Shang and Sanjan Bam Lairak Maira Paibi Shang. Speaking to media today at Top Chingtha Laibung Community Hall, Publicity Secretary of a Development Organization Andhro Kendra Moirang Them Surjit said local residents invited the MLA to discuss the inauguration of a community hall at Yaripok Laimanai on the 23rd of this month. He said after the meeting was over, the MLA went to visit 2 ailing persons living in the locality of Kaisam Ningthemjao. He alleged that the MLA was pelted with stones and the culprits escaped. However, one Okenjit was caught by Ningthemjao and some persons.
Makoina Fare Hariba, Shiramgi Okenjit Hariba Angasi, Chienban and Hudabadagi, Makoina Pazale, Pabira Matunda, Aki Akang Moda Kihanduna, Sham Kumar Ki Kangpun and my capsule Habasi. Nang sana yagadabni habana chingba karigumba masidayda nangna kapsande khosande adu tawde ada tawde habana chingba tawragadi ningthemjao ki kanguna mabo hatkani tukani haiduna akanba kihanba lakpadagi hauji mak masaji ngasi press conference mafamjida masala u haiba masi thukatpadagi
A seminar was held on renowned Moirang Kangleirol, also known as Moirang Perba Haishna Mangolzao, on his 100th birth anniversary. The seminar was organized by Loktak Khorjailub and Site Academy at Dev Literature Center on DM College campus. Thang MLA and PDA Chairman Tongbram Mangibabu stressed the need to preserve and promote the works of Haishna Mangolzao for future generation. Several persons on work and life of Haishna Mangolzao were presented at this seminar.
Khongjom lana sibu sayoina saktopa pau tamba haigadra adugumba mi amana pung jairaga maduda khongjom gi lan gi maramda saktana satlami hai adudagi khongjong praba haidana mapungdi adudagi horopo ormale adumakubu shakti khoi khongjong Prabada Natana, Asimorang Prabadasu, Karidasu, Asumana, Satnar Pagis at Sidi Adum Lakre.
The first Quatha festival at Quatha, a village famous for its fermented bamboo shoot product, concluded yesterday. The main objective of the two-day festival is to promote Quatha village, which is one of the oldest villages in Manipur. Health Minister D. Korungthang attended the closing function. Traditional music, dances, Sumang Lila, photo exhibition and display of Soibum were the highlights of the festival. In his speech, Health Minister Korungthang assured that the PHSC at Quatha village will be upgraded to primary health center. He also stressed the need to export bamboo shoot outside the state to improve the economy of the state.
Thailand ipai puna toramba thabak singdu khara ko change toraga kai tobu yabno soigum debu toraga su masi export toraga masi gi soigum sidigi yamna fermented queen sat pa yaba dry or halagasu atop pada thadok pa yaba adugumba si koi kadai ko chem ba yabna si sarkar gi makeng loraga asiguma export ke kasu tanaraga semdok agadi koi economy da henna thabo oigani.
Now it's time for a short break. We'll be back soon. Keep watching Impact News.
Aigi thamoina achit ka thazaba thamjari Sri Mani Kumar Jewellers. Yumda sumlai raka khanbana dikana roi engunda loina thengna khrabani wakhal do wagana lao aikoi kudingo phazamina ase miyam gi apamba design kudingo soidana phanglagani Sri Mani Kumar Jewellers.
Pengba ngaton pangbiragani ningol chakobugi mangoi ne mapung mari faraba pengba amadi ngaton ningol chakobugi damak discount su pizari ngaton kg manga leibeda kg ama free pengba kg tara leibeda kg ama free da pizari akak naba matamni ngasi maklengsin biroktana order tobi ho phangpham S Tomba and Sons Pengba Farm Hyangthang Bazaar.
Diwali amasung ningol chakobugi special discount pizari ITC Limited ki premium clothing brand Wills Lifestyle gi thangmaiban maisnam lekai opposite house ground labor store da Diwali amasung ningol chakobugi special discount pizari nupa amasung nupi gi formal casual amadi evening party wear yauna makhal khuding makki fizol sing fangbigani ngasi maglengsin biraksi Wills Lifestyle store thangmaiban maisnam lekai opposite house ground.
Ngasi maglengsin biro Diwali kumhai amadi ningol chakobugi manguinana ningol singna set chabada pakcharagadaba pijet laiteng kaya Silaima Emporium singjamai chinga mangkha opposite oinamler ngasi maglengsin biro.
The first urban cross hatchback, Datsun Ready Go with 800cc. Sumnatagi lak anigalising ni punipan piba car asigi features singdi ground clearance 185mm, boot space 222 liters, power steering, mileage 25.17 km per liter, immobilizer. Bukto bihoro gari asi ngasi mak showroom da laktuna leire test drive kidamak lengsin birao Island Nissan near Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Welcome back. Additional District Project Office Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA Kakching Block, State Mission Authority SSA Manipur, Alimco Guwahati and State Medical Team organized free medical assessment camp for children with special needs at practicing junior high school Kakching today. Program Coordinator Inclusive Education for Disabled SSA Kakching Block CH Maneshwar said under the Right to Education Act, children from 6 to 14 years should be given compulsory free education. MNPF has claimed the responsibility for killing Puchungla alias Toto, wife of late Pausen and ex-NSCN Kader from Chontan village. Puchungla was found dead in between Nongren and Happyland on October 23rd. According to a press release issued by Assistant Publicity Secretary of the outfit, she was awarded capital punishment by the party for extorting money from the public in the name of MNPF with Vereo Jazo alias David, who deserted the party and joined the NSCN. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol, CADA, yesterday held an awareness program on the impact of drugs and narcotics substances on the society at Wabugai Awanglekai in Thawal district. Speakers at the event stressed the role of parents in preventing their children from using drugs. CADA Bishnupur district also organized a similar meeting at Nachau yesterday. CADA Bishnupur District Committee and Nachau Khalekai Nisaband jointly organized the program to prevent drug menace in this society. Vice President CADA Hizam Priyo Kumar and Secretary General Dipanjit Ningthauzam were the spokespersons. Lions Club of Imphal Limerol along with City Hospital, Paurabi Rising Star Club and Liver Foundation Manipur organized mega health camp at Paurabi Junior High School on October 23rd. More than 307 people attended the camp. Orthopedics, ENT, medicine, pediatrics, gynecology doctors checked up the people for various ailments. An awareness program regarding cervical and breast cancer protection of liver was also held. Free medicines worth rupees 50,000 were also distributed to the people. A free eye camp was held today by Caesar Eye Care Foundation, Kairang Mamang Lekai Young Union Club and BJP member Thokchom Romeo at Kairang Mamang Lekai, Imphal East. A large number of patients were examined for eye-related problems. Dr. Nurnika KH, consultant ophthalmologist, along with other supporting staff of Caesar Eye Care Foundation examined the patients. Kaisampat Siam Lekai Development Committee in a press release said all kinds of gambling are banned in Kaisampat Siam Lekai ahead of Diwali festival by local Mera Paibi and club. Shairengba Singhi Lup Shal, Manipur today condoled the death of a writer and lyricist Khuraizam Ulen Maitai and observed 2 minutes silence. Khuraizam Ulen Maitai was a treasurer of the Lup. Khuraizam Ulen Maitai was awarded Siam Krishna Chandra Radhe Shakhi Award 2016. Lyricist R.K. Tampasana passed away at her Thamiban Hizam Lekai residence following an illness. She was 49. Tampasana, who was a teacher at Wangkai High School, had written around 20 film songs, including popular songs like Hingliba Punsi Se, Nuksibagi Damakni, and Wishillogaba Lamhelabamid. Cine Writers and Playwright Forum Manipur has condoled her death. The 12th annual conference cum literary meet of the Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Meghalaya was held on October 22 and 23 at Banga Sahitya Parishad Hall, Shillong. The annual awards of the Parishad were also presented at the event. Sahitya Ratna Award was conferred on Dr. Chongtham Jamini, former chairperson, Manipur State Commission for Women, while Khairakpam Yai School was conferred Sahitya Bhushan. R.K. Sanahanbi Kavya Bhushan, Usham Nirjit Kumar, Sangeet Bhushan and Kaisham Tolen, Sahitya Sevak. Delegates from Bangladesh and the entire northeastern region participated in the two-day event. 2 books, Malem Da Aina Laktringai by Nilamani Naurem and Ai Hingli by Ningthauzam Manis were also released. Pena recital by an artist of the Jain Manipuri Dance Academy, Imphal. Manipur Dramatic Union performed the play Laimarembi Indu Prabha on the last day of the meet. Manipur State Film Development Society and Film Forum Manipur will jointly organize a 3-day state-level film seminar on Manipuri Mami Kumhaigi Khongchatta Ngashi Amadi Hayeng from November 6 to 8. The seminar will be held at Manipur State Film Development Society Complex. Film Forum Manipur has appealed to all not to call for band, blockade and general strikes on these days. The 58th Foundation Day of Hue Lalong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association Irilbung was celebrated today. The association has been working to preserve and promote the ancient martial art form of Manipur Thangta. Speaking at the event, Vice Chairman of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipuri Dance Academy, H. Tombi, said the world now recognizes Thang Ta as an ancient art form of Manipur. He also emphasized the need to promote the rare art form.
Thang Ta haibase akhoi hek hawrakpadagi Manipuri cultural tradition sista mamal yamlaba achouba akhoi art makhal amani masi Sankirtan hariba mayam punamak sigi hawrakpham si masidagi masigi amakokta yam liraba akhoi cultural ne haina khoi hujikta phangba ngame masidagi si Sanginati Academy na kamasak khangbirakna National Bharat ki Sanginati Academy Award na singba adhi fellowship scholarship na singba masigi hiram masida yam kupna thijan badarkar oi hai.
Now in sports, in a league match of the 11th Manipur State League played at Mapal Kangsibung today, AIM Khabam Lamkhai and Neroka FC Sangapam were drawn 1-1. In the match, S. Subhas netted 1 goal for Neroka FC Sangapam in the 58th minute of the match, while W. Angau Sana of M. Khabam Lamkhai scored an equalizer in the 65th minute to end the match in 1-1 draw. FC Jalian Sadar Hills will play Nakot Nambul Mapal in the 55th match, while SSU Singjamai will meet USA Kurai in the 56th minute tomorrow. Eastern Sporting Union Wankai entered the final round of the Indian Women's League. In the preliminary league round match of Group 2, Eastern Sporting Union Wankai trounced Kripsa Nauremthong 4-1 and scored 9 points to become the league champion. O Bembem netted 3 goals, while Mandakini netted 1 goal for the winner. K. Bidyarani scored the lone goal for Kripsa Nauremthong. Kothawjam Kendra Kangkhut and Nambol Kendra Kangkhut will clash for the title of the 4th Ibudhau Wangpurel Khana Chauba Open Kendra Wise League Kam Knockout Kang tournament. In the semi-final played today, Nambol Kendra Kangkhut beat Oinam Kendra Kangkhut 14-12. The final match will be held on the 30th of this month. That's all we have for the time being, but before we wind this session of the bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister refutes charges of Tangkhul Nagalong as baseless, terms yesterday's attack as unfortunate. Additional DGP Intelligence P. Dongel to probe Ukhrul incident to submit report in 7 days. Gaitanam says the centre must not remain silent when NSC and IM has broken the ground rule. Governor launches national campaign on medicinal plants and opens one-day state-level buyer-sellers meet in Imphal. And Adya Prasad Pandey of Banaras Hindu University appointed Vice Chancellor of Manipur University.